Welcome to F413 Restoration LLC, where you will find high quality and cost-effective roofing services. For 20 years, we have been the leading roofing service providers of Oak Lawn, Illinois. We offer the services of flat roofing, wood roofing, roof leak detection, roof inspections, siding, and more. For more information about our company, visit our website at f413restorationllc.com and our Google My Business profile. For the latest offers and promotions, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. Call us at 773-967-8911 and 773-938-8881 for a free estimate on your upcoming project. F413 Restoration LLC, where you are the #1 priority.